Have you had your coffee yet? Welcome back to another video where coffee meets DIY. Thank you so much for all the love and support I received in the last video. Today, we're going to be doing part 2. As promised, I'll be breaking down how I made my desk. Before I forget, I have a great coffee joke for you today. Are you ready? Are you ready? You're not ready. I'll come back later. You sure you're ready? So, what is coffee spelled backwards? Yep, that's right, and I don't give up until I've had my coffee. No? Reverse it? Full disclaimer, I'm not really funny. I like to pretend that I am, but that's all that matters, right? Please subscribe! Subscribe! Comment! Share! Pardon the rough transition, guys. So this is the desk before. If you didn't know about this desk, you can find them on West M for an insane amount. I actually got my desk used for about $30. You guys should check out your local marketplace, Craigslist, or OfferUp for good furniture deals. So these are some inspiration of what I wanted to turn the desk into. I like the box look, which offers me storage. And here I am bringing my pre-cut wood. So my desk is 60 inches long by 28 inches. I'm using 1x6s. I needed about 5 of them. They're not true to size, they're not truly 1x6s, they're just like a little bit under 6 inches. I'm using 5 of them to make up the width of my desk, and these are 1x4s, and I'm going to use them as the separator. Let's get started. So here I am checking to make sure that the wood pieces match the width of my desk. And it does, yay! Now I'm lining it up on the floor so that I can start to nail gun the pieces together. Just make sure that your lines are even so that you don't end up with a wonky desk. It'll be good to use a square if you have it. I actually messed up. Here I am cutting up this little piece because I ended up a little too long on that side. But here we go. So I decided to paint the desk white. I'm sorry, I forgot to get the paint color that I used. And then I also decided to spray paint the legs gold. My camera battery died, so I don't have that either. And then I also decided to caulk in between the wood pieces so that I can remove the cracks that you see in between. Caulking is a good idea if you're using singular wood pieces to do a project like this so that you can make it a little more seamless. Pardon my camera, guys. I don't know what it was doing. So I decided to polyiterate my desk, which just gives it protective coating. It is a liquid glaze that you can cover your furniture with. It can wipe off easily and it's water resistant. These are furniture bumpers and I'm using them to protect the glass from the wood, and also to protect the wood from the glass. much for watching. And just so you guys know, this video was sponsored by your damn self, girl. You ain't get no sponsors yet. Bye, boos. And remember, may your coffee game be as strong as your hair game. Okay. Bye, guys. Oh, you still here? Well, since you're still here, go ahead and check out my IG page and follow me at. Thanks, guys. I love you a latte. That was another bad coffee pun. Bye.